Yes, so Streamlane is a SaaS software company, and we are providing API and PNR services to air carriers, and especially business aviation carriers. The idea is to provide a fully automated service, and we are taking care of all the different messages and technical stuff to be done with the different state authorities.
Okay, so for example, if I'm an operator that has a fleet of aircrafts, what can I do with your product? How can I use it in my daily basis?
So what you need to do is to provide and to get the fully automated system, where you need to have to use a flight ops system which is fully integrated with us, which is the case with Leon as an example. And with such an integration, you just have to use your tool as usual, meaning you do not have to do specific actions. Everything is performed automatically behind, and you are getting the status of the GovLink service, Streamlane service, directly within your own tool.
Right. So, and the integration with Leon, how does it work, and what's the main business benefit that I can get it from this integration?
So technically speaking, we are, in case of Leon, we are using the GraphQL APIs provided by Leon. And by doing this, we can automatically access all the flight and passenger data. So we are able to get all the necessary data to be sent to the different state authorities. And the business value is that integration is both sides, saying that we are getting the data from Leon and we are putting back data into Leon directly, allowing the flight ops team to get the exact details of the service, and if there is error, they are shown directly within Leon. And we are providing as well sanction list checks to ensure that there is no people or person, unwanted person on the flight. And once again, the sanction list check status is putting back directly within Leon, and you have a red flag saying that, okay, please have a look to this passenger.
So when it goes to the passenger data transfer, there are probably some very large regulation in some regions that needs to be applied, yes? And can you give us some examples?
Yeah, the regulations are quite completely different from state to state. So basically you have some batch submissions, meaning that the state is just requiring you to push data and that's it. They can request different kind of format in batch and different kind of pushes, meaning that you are supposed to send, let's say, a first message is 48 hours prior to departure, another one 24 hours, and the last one at flight departure. So timings are different, formats are different, but it remains batch, meaning that you push and that's it. After that, you have some different states asking for interactive API. So in this situation, you need to get a clearance from the state authorities saying that this passenger is allowed to fly and to access the country. So in this, the flow is more complex. We need to push any updates on the flight list to the states, get the answer, process the answer, and put it back to Leon to alert in case of error. And this year, there will be a new regulation in Europe related to the EES system, so to manage basically the entry into Europe. So all the visa will be automatically checked, and it's a new regulation with it will be put in place this fall, and it will it implies that the carrier are able to push the data towards the EU EES, towards the Europe system, and to get the answer back. And so this is all something we are dealing with as well. And all this, the status of the passenger will be soon available directly within Leon.